If you're a cat owner, you know the struggle, scooping litter every day, dealing with odors, and keeping things hygienic. But what if you could leave all that behind? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best automatic smart cat litter boxes that make cat care easier, cleaner, and smarter than ever. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Furoomate PCT01 Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box. The Furoomate PCT01 Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box redefines modern cat care with its blend of innovation, safety, and convenience. Designed with both cats and owners in mind, this litter box combines intuitive functionality with advanced technology to create a comfortable, hygienic environment. Its open-top design aligns with your cat's natural instincts, offering ample interior space while maintaining a compact footprint that fits seamlessly into any home. Engineered for effortless maintenance, the Furoomate PCT01 features a removable litter compartment with no screws and a smooth, one-piece silicone construction, making cleaning quick and hassle-free. The innovative transmission system ensures that clumps are efficiently scooped and litter is evenly redistributed, providing a consistently fresh environment. Its redesigned waste bin can accommodate one cat's litter needs for up to 7 days, reducing the frequency of manual emptying. Safety is paramount with this smart litter box. Equipped with 4 weight sensors, 4 infrared sensors, and a current protection sensor, it immediately halts operation when a cat is present, preventing accidents and ensuring peace of mind. The low-noise design further enhances comfort, keeping the litter box quiet and inviting for your pet. Compatible with most clumping litters, including bentonite and mineral types, the Furoomate PCT01 offers versatility while promoting a healthier home. By minimizing the risk of parasites and infections, its hands-free automatic scooping system actively supports your cat's well-being. Combining thoughtful engineering with a cat-friendly open-top layout, the Furoomate PCT01 Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box delivers a smarter, safer, and cleaner approach to everyday feline care. Coming in at number 4, the Voford Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box. The Voford Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box brings a new level of convenience and hygiene to cat care. Designed with a fully automatic 360-degree cleaning system, this litter box allows cat owners to manage their pet's waste effortlessly through the Tuya Smart app. The remote monitoring feature ensures that daily cleaning becomes a minimal task, providing a hands-free solution for busy households. With an 8-liter capacity, the litter box significantly reduces the frequency of manual cleaning, making it suitable for multi-cat homes or owners who prefer a low-maintenance option. Its advanced gravity-sensing sensors track toileting activity, offering valuable insights into your cat's habits. An infrared sensor ensures safety by stopping rotation whenever a cat approaches, preventing accidents and enhancing comfort. The Voford litter box also doubles as a health monitoring tool. Through the app, owners can observe their cat's activity patterns and detect potential health issues early, supporting proactive care. Its intelligent design includes a leak-proof structure with a removable T-shaped mesh filter that preserves litter, alongside an upgraded bottom bracket that prevents spills. The barrel is fully removable, streamlining the cleaning process and maintaining hygiene. Blending technology with practicality, the Voford Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box provides both efficiency and peace of mind. It allows cat owners to maintain a clean environment while keeping a close eye on their pet's well-being, all through a simple app interface. This innovative approach to cat care transforms a routine task into a seamless and manageable experience. At number 3, we have the Lunapurr Neo B Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box. The Lunapurr Neo B Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box redefines convenience and care for modern cat owners. Designed with dual safety sensors, this intelligent litter box ensures that cleaning only begins when your cat steps away, pausing instantly if your feline approaches. This thoughtful feature not only protects your pet, but also gives you peace of mind, knowing that safety is prioritized at every cycle. Operating with an ultra-quiet mechanism, the Lunapurr Neo B minimizes noise, creating a calm environment that prevents startling your cat. Its silent cleaning system ensures that even the most sensitive pets can continue their routines without stress or interruption, making it an ideal addition to any home. Compatible with all clumping cat litter, the device offers flexibility, allowing you to use your preferred brand while maintaining a hygienic and efficient cleaning process. The automated design reduces the need for daily scooping, streamlining your pet care routine without compromising cleanliness. Beyond convenience, the Lunapurr Neo B elevates pet wellness through its smart app integration. The accompanying application provides real-time tracking and insights into your cat's litter box habits, helping you monitor health indicators such as frequency and patterns. This data-driven approach allows proactive care, ensuring that any potential health concerns can be spotted early. Combining innovative technology with practical design, the Lunapurr Neo B automatic smart cat litter box offers a modern solution for cat owners seeking efficiency, safety, and a deeper understanding of their pet's well-being. It transforms a routine chore into a seamless, stress-free experience while keeping your cat comfortable, healthy, and happy. Next up at number 2 is the Doel Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box. The Doel Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box redefines convenience and hygiene for cat owners by combining advanced technology with thoughtful design. This fully automatic litter box features 360-degree safe cleaning and can be controlled through the 2Yes Smart app, allowing users to manage cleaning schedules and monitor their cat remotely. By automating the cleaning process, it eliminates the need to manually handle litter and minimizes exposure to unpleasant odors, making daily maintenance effortless. Despite its compact external dimensions of 19.8 by 19 by 20.8, the litter box offers a generous 65-liter interior space for your cat, complemented by a 9-liter trash bin. This balance of space efficiency and comfort ensures your feline companion has ample room while keeping the device unobtrusive in your home. Safety is a core feature of the Doel litter box. 4 gravity-sensing sensors at the base monitor your cat's toileting habits, including frequency, timing, and weight changes, with all data accessible via the app. A front-facing infrared sensor prevents rotation when your cat approaches, reducing the risk of accidents. For accurate monitoring, the device should be placed on a hard, flat surface rather than carpets or mats. The app not only allows full control of the litter box, but also tracks your cat's health and activity. Users can select litter type, activate soft toilet cleaning, or choose deep cleaning mode. It operates over 2.4G Wi-Fi, ensuring seamless connectivity. The Doel litter box also prioritizes cleanliness and ease of maintenance. Its removable T-shaped mesh filter improves filtration and conserves litter, while an upgraded bottom bracket and 360-degree baffle design enhance leak prevention. The barrel can be removed for thorough cleaning, and a water leak port facilitates faster drying and reuse. By integrating smart features, safety measures, and practical design, the Doel Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box offers a modern solution for both pet comfort and owner convenience. Finally, at number 1, we have the Tonepie Ti Pro Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box. The Tonepie Ti Pro Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box redefines convenience and hygiene for cat owners. Designed with smart cleaning technology, this litter box handles the cleaning process automatically, eliminating the daily chore of scooping. With a simple one-click litter replacement feature, the old litter is emptied in a single action, truly freeing your hands from tedious maintenance. Equipped with innovative deodorization technology, the Ti Pro uses a safe, non-toxic ionic deodorizer that activates after your cat has finished using the box. This system effectively reduces odor in your home without the need for any consumables, keeping the environment fresh for both you and your feline companion. The litter box is spacious enough to accommodate up to 3 adult cats, making it ideal for multi-cat households or busy owners. Its low-maintenance design ensures the cylinder can be flushed and the 2 main parts are easy to assemble and disassemble. However, care should be taken to keep the base dry for optimal performance. Connectivity and control are enhanced with the app-enabled functionality. Through the dedicated app, you can monitor usage data, receive notifications when the box is full, and adjust cleaning modes or litter type remotely even while traveling. This ensures your cat's hygiene is maintained effortlessly, regardless of where you are. Inspired by the lunar re-entry capsule, the patented structural design integrates the litter bin and cylinder, preventing your cat from getting stuck. The front entry height of 5.9 inches makes it accessible even for short-legged cats, providing a safe and comfortable environment. The Tonepie Ti Pro blends intelligent automation, hygiene, and ergonomic design, making it a modern solution for cat care. Its combination of smart technology and thoughtful engineering ensures a cleaner, fresher home and a stress-free experience for cat owners.